What's up YouTube? This is Uchiha Trainer Unboxing here, and today we're coming back with Pokemon again. Unboxing of the Sword and Shield Vivid Voltage. It's a whole booster box and we're about to open it today for you guys. Wow, a lot of packs, Let's get these down. Whew, more than I expected. But hey, let's get it on. Let's see what's going on here. Don't worry guys, these are in English, so I will not get these names wrong. Code card for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front, and let's get it on. Metal, Charmeleon, Telescopic Sight, Mightyena, Slugma, Wishmer, Execute, Woobat, Baldum, Reverse Holo Leon, nice, and a Bayonet. Wow, these packs are a little harder to pull out. Another green code, but here you go. That's for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front, and Fire Energy. Windon Stadium, Zebstrika, Excadrill, Milcery, Skidoo, Eevee, Trubbish, Shuppet, Deontay Reverse, that's a nice pull, and Whimsicott. Alright, so far, just the reverses are pretty cool. No, nothing extraordinary yet. I feel like this pack might have something, but let's just see. This way we don't know if it's a green code or a white code. We'll just go by that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy, Hitmontop, Swoobat, Macargo, Yanma, Wooper, Dendene, PP-Peck, Chudo, Seedot, and Barraskewda. Alright, let's go. These packs aren't looking too good, guys. They are not looking too good. You guys might have seen that already, but let's just pretend we didn't. Sword and Shield code 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Here we go again. Fire, Stone Energy, Shuckle, Cramorant, Milcery, Galarian Meowth, Chimecho, Blitzel, Slugma, Clefairy, and Zygarde Holo Rare. It's nice artwork on this. Alright, let's see. Let's get some pulls here. And another green code. I'm gonna start opening these through the back. Here's a code for you guys. First come, first serve. Remember on the codes? Does not even do the card trick because it's a green code. Yeah, nothing good here. So just swipe this up. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Beauty, Mightyena again, Metang, Energy. Oh, did I do that wrong? Sandile, Oshawott, Pineco, Clefairy, Tynamo, Oshawott, and Clefable. Oshawott. Haven't seen Oshawott in a while. It's probably one of my favorite starters. Ah, green code. I gotta start opening these better, guys. Eevee, Woobat, Arrokuda, Seedot, Fampi, Nessa, Quagsire, Water Energy, Alistair, Cramorant, Nessa again. Not sure if I give you guys that one, but there you go. So far, nothing. Doesn't seem like a good box, guys. I always had really high hopes for Vivid Voltage. It's treating me like it shouldn't. Here's another code. Ready, guys? I feel it. 2, 3, 4. I think I'm doing this thing wrong. Windine Stadium, Go-Go, Galvantula, Energy, Dark, Peep, Mudbray, Joltik, Weedle, Tailo, Mudsdale, and Duraludon. So basically, I haven't had no V, no nothing. It's been average pulls, just holo rares. But thankfully, we still got a lot to go. More than half of the box still. Oh, here you go, Vivid Voltage. One, 2, 3, 4 to the front, and here we go. Energy, Opal, Metang, Girafarig, Welmer, Cottony, Clobbopus. Ooh, I see something, guys. Electric, Execute, Galvantula, Reverse Holo, and ooh, Colossal V. Not one I'd like because I already have 2 of, but pool's a pool. If you guys are interested in the near future, might be posting some of these cards to go to sale. Wow, this card's beat up. Wow. I don't know if you guys can see this, but look at this card is beat up pretty bad. Oh well, let's leave this either way because it's a nice pool. Let's start putting the pools here, guys. Code. I don't think I've been giving you guys the codes. Sorry about that. This is my second video after all. Cottony, yeah, Mega. Nothing. Another one. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. There you go. Energy, Trumbeak, Sableye, Duat, Milcery, Wooper, Nincada, Whismur, Drober, Go-Go, and Samurai. Alright, guys. I don't want to bore you guys too long, so I might speed through this. Stop saying the names of all these cards. Just maybe the new ones if we haven't seen them. Dynamo. Another one, Chatot, another one, Whismur, nice. Another one, Rocky Helmet, Alistair. And here's your guys' code card. So far, one pull. Must have gotten a bad box. Pretty sure. That's alright. The Uchihas are gonna redeem me. There you go. White code. Come on. Right when I call upon the Uchihas, let's go. Dhelmise, we haven't seen that. Shuckle, Coding Energy, Psychic, Galarian Meowth, Chimecho, Blitzo, Slugma, Beldum, Peep, and oh, alright. Not too bad. Playable card. Not too bad. Holo Rare Leon. Pretty nice. So let's see what else. Maybe if I call upon the Madara Uchiha, he ought to help. Oh no, he did not. Let's just go through then. Voltorb, Weedle, Drober, Clefairy, Welmer, Charmeleon, Metagross, Boom, 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 boom. Code card for you guys. Let me know what you guys get on the comments below. I would like to know if there's any good pulls for you guys, because as you can see, not very good for me. But I enjoy doing this. Wow. Green code after green code. Oh man. Clavopus, and that's Executor. Wow, I'm already 10 minutes in, and wow, what do you know? Nothing but green codes. I might end this video early because of all these green codes. That's not an alright card. If you guys play, you guys know that this is a pretty good card. Here is your code. Ooh, this one feels kind of thick, heavyish. Do they still do that, Pokemon? Do they make the packs heavier and whatnot like how they used to? There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I feel like this one should be good since it's heavy. Galarian Stunfisk, Sableye, Cramorant, Mudbray, Joltik, Weedle, Talos, Sandile. Alright, we got something. Electrode. And ooh, yeah! A full art Pikachu, man. Woo! I've been waiting for one of these. Woo! Look at this and that. Sorry guys, I might take a minute just so you can show you guys how nicely textured it is. Look at that. This is one of my favorite cards in this set. And then that other VMAX Pikachu is what I'm looking for. Alright, not too bad. It's not beat up. Let me sleeve this guy up real fast. Whew, nice. Alright, I could deal with that. I'm not getting too much good luck, but the luck I do get is the cards I want. That's good. Ish. Here's another code. Chudo, Riolu, Eevee, Seedot, Electrike. Oh, what is that? Dang, and I didn't even do the trick, I think. Beldum, Cape of Toughness. Wow. Whew. Ghost, Secret. It's Secret Rare. No, yeah, right. And then Rainbow Rare, but this is not a Rainbow card, so this basic Pokemon has cards 2 gets 50 extra HP except Pokemon GX. Wow, this is a really good card. I actually think it might be worth some money. I'll check right now. I'll let you guys know in the comments. Nice. So far, back-to-back pulls. Hopefully you get the hat trick for a third pull in a row. I am convinced this box is good already. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front, and let's get it. Energies of Striker, Coding, Heroes Metal, Pharaoh Seed, Joltik, Sandile, Seedot, Pipiq, Windon, and a Graftalock. Alright, our luck is kind of okay, pretty average. I remember when I used to buy cards, some boxes, half of them were not that great, half of them were pretty great. So let's do the next half. Vivid Voltage. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put to the front. Here we got Energy, Beauty, Stone Energy, Shuckle, Voltorb, Weedle, Drillbur, Clefairy, Welmer, Dusclops, and a Zygarde. So that was a hit. But we in this channel do not consider those hits because they're just holo rares. Unless it's a Charizard. I don't mind getting that, but I don't think we could pull one. They're just deck exclusive. Oh, there you go. Green code. Let's just skim through this. Okay. Oh wait though. In these packs you get amazing rares even if you do get green codes. Alright, so it don't matter. I'll just do the card trick for all these, but I'll just go through them real fast since I know this video is already 15 minutes long. Electros. Oh, white code. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put it to the front. Lightning. Oh, I see it. Mumuchis, Duat, Ferrothorn, Duskull, Electrike, Pineco, Mudbray, Puchiana, Mightyena, and whoo, shoot, Aegislash VMAX. That's a nice pull, guys. Yep. I got scared. Not scared. I got more excited. I thought this was the big giant Pikachu, which is worth whoo, on the upwards of the $200 range. Got me excited. Got me excited. So far, so good. 4 pulls. We're almost down to the count. I'll let you guys know when this is the last 5 packs. Chudo, Riolu, Eevee, Seedot, Electrike, and on top Garbodor. Not too good. Here's your code. Alright guys, I cut the video for a moment. I had to go to the restroom, but let's get back to it. Another green code: Sandile, Wilmer, Weedle, Beldum, Fampi, Metagross, Exploud. Other than that, here you guys' code. Yes, yes, yes. This is a good sign, guys. Let's do the trick. But here you guys go. You guys might have good luck with this code as well. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Psychic, Metang, Kakuna, Moochies, Milcery, Skittle, Eevee. Ooh, let's see something. Trubbish, Shuppet, Trubbish again, and woo! What is this? Another Aegislash. Oh wait, this is the V card. All right, so we got V and V Max in the box. It's nice, nice, nice. Alrighty. Another white code: Drillbur, Oshawott, Duskull, Ferroseed, Riolu, Nuzleaf. Man, my gear in a no good, guys. Here you go. Code. 1, 2, 3. We're almost there. Almost down to the 5 packs. Green coat. Oh shoot, that one did not come out so easily. Whismur code card. There you are. Whismur, Execute, Woobat, Beldum, Blitzel, Drone, Rotom, Terrakion, and the rest we could just skip through. Alrighty guys, here's that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's get it. Charmeleon. Oh, there's something in here. Skittle, Ferroseed, Dendene. Oh, come on, Pikachu. Let's hopefully it's a Pikachu. Electrike. Oh, it's a full art beauty rainbow rare. Wow. Sweet. Nice. What does this card do? If you go first, you may play this card during your first turn. Draw 2 cards. Huh. Not very a playable card, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down to our last 7 packs, guys. How many more hits you guys think I'm gonna get? I say 1. One more and that's it. Ooh, it might be this one. Let's go straight to it. Dynamo, Execute, Clops, Skiddo. I see something. Bea. Another Pikachu. Wow, double Pikachu. Let's go. This is a Pikachu party here. Here's a code. Let's leave that guy up. So I think this box is done, if I had to guess. But let's keep going through it. Yeah, so far I got everything I think I should be able to get. Oops. Green code again. No amazing rare, so that's kind of disappointing. Ooh, Charizard. That's a nice little $5 card, even though it's not shiny at all. No. Another code. Green again. Duskull. That's it. Here's your code card, guys. If you guys pull giant Pikachu, guys, let me know. Especially if you guys did it off of one of my codes. I would be very, very happy to see that for one of you guys. Terrakion. Yeah, I think this is it, guys. Let's see how many more packs we got left. Last two. I think we're gonna get a pull off of this. Maybe. Let's put that to test. Just because I like Pikachu, I'm gonna say Pikachu has always had my back. Code card. And last but not least, the last pack. Come on. Give me giant Pikachu, please. I don't know if you guys saw it, but it was a white code, so I'm gonna slow roll this pack. See what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Darkness Energy, Substrika, Coding Energy, Heroes Metal, Electrike, Clefairy, Fampi, Yanma, Galarian Meowth, Metagross, and another Holo Leon. Alright. Gotta see the prices on these Leons. Getting me skeptical. It might be worth something. Pretty good card. Alright, guys, let's show you a quick recap of what we got. Let me put this in order. Alright, so I'm gonna put them by rarities. So, Pikachu V, nice pull. Colossal V, which is damaged for some reason, but also cool. Aegislash V Max, cool card right here. Pikachu V full art. This is one of my favorite artworks of all time, honestly. Other than that, Pikachu EX, he looks very cool. Aegislash V full art, nice. Our wild card from the box, Beauty, nice card overall. And one of the cards I think should be playable in the TCG right now, Cape of Toughness. Shoot, that was a pretty good box, I think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pulls. Not too bad. Alright, guys, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment down below, and subscribe, please, so I can keep making video content like this. See you on the next one. This was Vivid Voltage Booster Box Unboxing by Uchiha Trainer Unboxing. See you guys in the next one.